2016 Toyota Tacoma. I've had this hardtop flip cargo cover, OEM, Tacoma, stock. Now it's 10 years old. It's his hardcover ones that flip up like this. This thing was massively grayed out from the sun, UV and all that stuff. Even the gaskets here, the hinges, the rubber hinges are failing. I gotta find a way to replace those. Not that easy. OEM, Toyota doesn't just sell this part, and these things are like 900 bucks, man. So anyway, this thing was grayed out. I have some problems with it. You know, like right here, I got to push this pin back in because that can catch and kind of hurt a little bit. I got the pliers, gonna fix that. But other than that, it's holding up. What I did, it's got the nice black sheen. I restored it. I just needed to do something because I don't want to buy another one because it was fading pretty bad from the sun down in Florida here. And what I did is that they had the trim coat little handy wipes you get at Home Depot. It just wasn't enough because this is kind of a porous, rough surface. So what I did, I saw they actually sold this, the 4-ounce bottle with you got one trim coat bottle, boom, and you get 2 microfiber sponges, blammo, and you just kind of paint it on. I put actually 1 coat on yesterday and 1 coat today. The first coat, this stuff really soaked it up. It just absorbed it. It's hard plastic, but it absorbed it. And it looks, I mean, from what it was, this thing looks amazing. It looks just shiny black right now. And it's still kind of drying a little bit from the second coat. It works, and I like the fact that there's a liquid option for the trim. And just to cheat, I even put some on the headlights because I'm starting to lose the outer coat, clear coat on the headlights. I just want to see. I know they sell a separate headlight thing, but you know, the stuff's clear, so I put it on that. Anyway, for the win, if you have an old, anything plastic on your vehicle, I'm telling you, I'm a convert. I'd really love this stuff. This was 39 bucks, and I'm surprised. I did this whole cover, like I said, boom, 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 and ignore the decay. Wear gloves. Wear these gloves because the stuff will get on your skin. But anyway, I barely used over a bottle to do 2 coats. So I know I'm going to probably just put another coat on just to get this thing really protected to make it last as long as possible. I mean, today's world, people are broke. You don't want to go out and spend money. You don't have to. And you want to try to make things you have last, albeit this is 10 years old. But why not make it last, man? New cars are way too expensive. Parts are too expensive. And maintain, maintain, maintain. All right, look at that shine. Look at that. So for the win, check it out. It's worth the 39 bucks. And like I said, this is a 4-ounce bottle. I didn't think it would be enough. I did get 2. But 1 is more than enough to take this whole bed and then some. I did the trim on the truck. All that stuff to help protect it from cracking and the UV and just bring back the luster, the shine. And this stuff here was originally this color. This is a TRD Sport. I just put the plasti dip on here just to make it look like an off-road. I cheated. I'm sorry, but who cares? It looks cool. It looks like the truck is actually lifted from the black. And I even plasti dipped the wheels years ago. This stuff has been on here for years. Of course, some of it's coming off from when they changed the tires last time. Anyway, there you go. CERKOTE trim coat professional kit. Well worth it. I got this. Oh, I think I got this off Amazon. Yeah, I'll post a link below on this video. There is a danger. 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 Anyway, there is a danger, but anyway, no, there isn't. Just be careful with it. It's chemicals. Wear gloves. So there you go. Like I said, did the whole cover. Used barely half a bottle. I'll probably put another coat on and then be done. This is a win, guys. Right here. This is a win, and I'm down in sunny Florida. All right, I'm out. Hope this helps. Hope this helps because there's so much crap out there to buy. You don't know what's going to work and what's not going to work. And it's not sticky. It's not going to attract dirt and muck. So for the win, CERKOTE trim coat.